Hours after carrying out fresh strikes on Iran, the Donald Trump administration announced additional sanctions on Tehran in a bid to increase economic pressure on the Islamic Republic. According to reports, the sanctions were imposed on Iran's newly formed Persian Gulf Strait Authority, along with individuals and entities cooperating with the agency. The move came after US forces reportedly targeted a military site in Bandar Abbas, a strategically important port city in Iran. The sanctions specifically target the authority responsible for approving transit through the Strait of Hormuz and collecting toll charges from vessels passing through the region. New Iranian Maritime Authority under spotlight. Just a week ago, Iran established the Persian Gulf Strait Authority and declared that more than 22,000 square kilometers of waters extending into the territorial regions of Oman and the UAE would remain under the oversight of Iranian armed forces. The authority stated that all transit through the Strait of Hormuz would now require coordination and approval from the agency. Iran also announced stricter regulations for ships passing through the route, including permit-based transit, mandatory sharing of cargo and crew details, and possible transit fees. Tehran warned that vessels deviating from designated corridors could face attacks or other security risks. Iran's Revolutionary Guard defended the new mechanism, calling it necessary for regional security. Trump warns Iran over talks. Speaking during a cabinet meeting, Donald Trump claimed Iran was negotiating on fumes and said Tehran was eager to reach a deal with Washington. However, he warned that the US remained dissatisfied with the negotiations and could finish the job if talks failed. Meanwhile, US Central Command claimed its forces shot down 4 Iranian one-way attack drones near the Strait of Hormuz and struck a site in Bandar Abbas that was allegedly preparing to launch another drone.